Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with the Whisper of the Day for April 29th. Doing something a little bit new this week. Instead of the weekly whisper that I put out on Saturday, due to the fact that it's earnings season, I felt that we should try out this Whisper of the Day. I'm going to go through the major index ETFs because I think that's really important. I know many of you trade that. So I'm going to give you those levels for the SPY. So today I'm going to be watching 293.75 on the SPY. I'm going to be bullish above that level. Targets 294 and 295 on the high end. And I'm going to be bearish below 292, more of a retracement trade, back down to the 8 EMA. Bearish below 292, my targets would be 291.50, 291, and of course 290. Now we did have a pretty decent dark pool level last week at 292.20. So that is a really key level. If we break below that, that's why I chose that 292 level. So let's switch over to the Russell. And so the Russell did not have any new dark pool levels. In fact, we are at this top end resistance here. So I'm going to be bullish above 158.50, and I'm going to be bearish below 157. Let's switch over to the NASDAQ, because the NASDAQ did have a very big dark pool level last week at 190.30, 2.8 million. So I'm going to be bullish above 191.25, and I'm going to be bearish below that dark pool level, below 190. And we did have quite a few prints on the XLK as well. We do have a lot of tech earnings this week. So definitely watch the QQQs. VXXB, yeah, the VIX, the fear. We got a really large print last week on the VXXB at, hold on a minute, let me just look that up, 2490, 1.4 million. In fact, let me just put that in here for you. Forgot to post that up. Yeah, this is very big. We haven't had a big print like that in quite a while. We are above that. Looks like people are putting on a little bit of protection here, fear. I'll let you know if we do get more, but we're going to use it as a level. So I'll be bullish on fear above this 26 level. I will most likely go up to this top trend line. And I will be bearish below 24.80. If we do go down below that 24.90 print level, that's going to be bearish. You don't ever want to hold on to the VXXB, number one, against you or long term. It's more of a short-term trading vehicle, or watch these levels to trade the SPY, which is what most of my traders like to do. So just be careful. It does decay and rolls down the hill and doesn't come back, but it does spike when traders get nervous. All right, so we are still in contango. It only really goes up consistently when we're in the backwardation phase. So let's go to our regular stocks. Oil, USO has some pre-market volume coming in this morning. We did hit this lower trend line of support here. The simple 30 moving average is right here. So this is more of a retracement trade. That could happen back up to the 8 EMA. But if it breaks above here, above this 8 exponential moving average, I'm going to be bullish above 1337 with a high-end target of 1360. And I'm going to be bearish below 13. If we don't hold this 13 level, we could drop down, especially going to that 200 simple moving average first. 1287, 1275, 1260, 1250 would be targets to the downside, going all the way to this 50 moving average for USO. We did have a lot of prints on XOP last week. So this week I'm going to be bullish only if it can rally back up above this 32 level. If not, we could have a bit of a retracement move, but I will be bearish below 31. If we can't hold this 31 level and we do start to move down, there is a trade to the downside. Now we had some Really nice volume pre-market on MOMO. Yeah, look at this long-legged doji right here. So we're going to be bullish above 34. That's more of a retracement trade. I was looking on the book earlier to see if there were any big guys lined up on this ECN book. And really nobody big that's selling here. So we could, if we break above this simple 50 on a 5-minute chart here, yep, we could get a little momentum on MOMO. Yes, that pun was intended. And bearish below 32. Up, just turned around there. Yeah, that's a pretty big level, as you can see. So bearish below 32 for MOMO. Let's go to AMD. AMD had massive prints. It does have earnings tomorrow after the close. So it could have really nice pre-earnings momentum for a nice day trade. So bullish above 28.20 and bearish below 27.75 for AMD. Let's go to TLT. We've had massive, huge prints across the entire bond sector. So this is going to have a big move. We have not moved yet. The prints on TLT, this is my favorite one to trade, were around 122.59. We had 1 million just this last week, but we had so many more at about 122.95 level. So I'm going to be bullish above 124. Okay, if we break above that, there is so much room to go up, but I will turn bearish below 122.50. If we go down and test last week's print level and break below that, that's when I'm going to turn bearish. Okay, so we do get these big prints. They do splash a little bit. Got to give them a little bit of time, and then they move in their true direction. EWZ Brazil, massive 7.5 million print. Going to be bullish above 41.50, and I'm going to be bearish below $40.80 for Brazil. Gold had massive prints last week. Not that much volume coming in yet, so it's really hard to tell where they're lined up, but I definitely wanted you to watch this one. We're going to be bullish above 20. I'm going to be bullish above 21.50. Oops, sorry about that. I messed up. Sorry. 21.50. And my targets are going to be 21.75 and 21.87. The last eighth is always the most expensive eighth in the entire world. And I'm going to be bearish below $20.87. So below here, bearish. This is my trade down. And above here, this is my trade up for today. And pretty much this week, we'll see if we do get any more prints that come in on there. Got two more. Coca-Cola. We still have not quite filled in this gap. And so we had massive prints last week, which I posted for you. The biggest one was at 47.75. So I'm going to be bullish above 48.50. And I'm going to just change this. Bearish below 47.75. Okay, bullish above 48.50. And bearish below the prints, 47.75. And one more, Wells Fargo. Massive prints on this one. Holy cow, I've never seen so many. At 47.50 and 47.71. So we're going to be bullish above 48 for Wells Fargo. Let me just show you this daily chart. Okay, there's room to go up here, 48. to about 48.50. First time we hit these moving averages, there should be sellers if we go up there. But I'm going to be bearish below 47.50. If we turn down and break below all those prints, I'm going to be bearish. So there you have it. That is your whisper of the day. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret.